Well, no camping today. We got a squealer over there that we got to work on. Let me see, you're in the way. Okay. How about right up here? Or up here? Oh, I like that.
I think that's better.
I like that.
I like that.
There's not many other places.
There.
Oh, that's not bad. That's all right. On the driver's side?
I think, though, if you're going to have them there, you should have one on each side.
Oh, he only sent me one.
But I think if you're going to do one,
Yeah.
I like it on the back rear fender, because you have this here.
Uh-huh.
Kind of balances it out. There.
Okay. I'm sold.
Yeah?
Yep. All right. Hey, start up your Jeep.
Oh.
You gotta go upstairs and get the keys? How can we work on your Jeep if you don't have the keys? All right. Well, I'm gonna pause until she gets back. There it is. JL Life Off-Road. We kind of laugh because I think Jennifer goes, oh, now you're part of JL Life. I said, honey, I've been JL Life all my life. I'm John Lopes. So, John Lopes Life right there, off-road. I dig it. I'm all over that.
That works.
All right. There you go, Mo. It's on. Oh, I forgot she can't start anyways. I already pulled the belt. But this was the pulley that seemed like it was making the most noise. Not too bad. Yeah, that's pretty slow. That should spin a lot. Let's see here. That stops pretty fast. How I know which pulley or which bearing is when she's running and it's squeaking, I spray a lubricant, and then when I hit the right one, it quiets down for a little bit, and it gets noisy again, spray a little bit of lubricant, it gets quiet. I said, oh, that's the right pulley, and it's the AC pulley. So we're gonna work on pulling the AC pulley and getting the bearing replaced. Looks like a pain in the butt. Are you leaking water somewhere?
Huh?
Are you leaking water somewhere?
I haven't noticed any water leaks.
You're empty. Empty, empty.
I need to get a orange cooler too.
Okay. Is it 13? Is it on that thing? You know what?
What?
Where do I get my gun in there? Take it off with the impact.
Well, you're standing up. Well, then I'd have to start
What?
air.
No, not your impact, my impact.
Oh, like the cordless one?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you can try.
Let's see if I can whack him. Let's try. You have a shorter 10?
Yeah. For 3/8.
Whatever, just a shorter 10. The shortest 10 we can find. The smallest 10 millimeter you got. Oh, we're still filming. Oh, we put a bunch of adapters together. 10 millimeter, wheel wobble, 3/8 adapter to make it from 3/8 to 1/4 inch. And that's the shortest. Again, I want to see if I can fit it in there. Big, or that's fine. A big. Hey, stop! Not that. A big screwdriver, flat slot, and that pry bar right there. No, to your right, your other right. Thank you. Give me that. Give me that right now. Now get a flat bar. Look for a flat screwdriver. You already killed your sword in that little bit of food.
Yeah.
That's fun. Alright, here it comes. Oh, watch out. Don't touch me. Stop moving. Here's where we lose those, oh no. Don't lose it. See inside of there? Oh, there's more than one, too.
Like a couple of the spaces, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So don't lose it. Now, we gotta pull this backward off. And if you're lucky part, we're not lucky. You get this pulled off.
Well, the guy
Did
on the
we
video,
have the pullers in this back box?
he showed,
Do
he
we have
sprayed
the-
it, and then
we-
he used the
I
little,
know. Do we have the pullers?
I don't.
Let's look if we have them in this. They would be in here, I think.
So we couldn't move it.
I'm not wiggling it. I can't whack it with a hammer.
Alright.
I tried prying it. I need a puller. I don't want to damage it.
Alright, well, we'll just go to the closest auto parts and rent one.
Alright.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, no repair can be made until you make 3 or 4 trips to the auto parts store. There I am at the auto parts store. I need a puller to pull that pulley. So I'm going to grab one here. I'll get back to you in a bit. Alright. Got a gear puller set. See if I can get it out. Plus I got some Rain-X and some rags and a mellow yellow. And I put the Rain-X in to clean my windshield. Yeah, see? You can never go to the auto parts store and just get what you came in for. But I got clean windshield now. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, styling now. Alright, I better get back to Jennifer. She's probably sitting there waiting. Now we gotta knock out the bearing. And for that, we need a socket. And that means I gotta unload the truck.
Oh, there we go. Bearing.
Oh, there is numbers on it. Thailand. You're supposed to be able to read all that there. That's what you need. One of those.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, no worries. I said, oh, he's gonna be coming back for that.
This is my wake up.
Right? Good bearing.
Yay.
Okay. Right there. We need the little ring.
Snap ring.
It's in the front.
Yeah, we don't want to drop that.
No, especially because all that all clean. We're gonna have to.
Right.
You're gonna have to get out of my way. Oh, this is gone backwards. Change it over. Cool. That's what I need. Okay, put the little snap ring back on there. Looks like it might need one more whack. I need a flat slot screwdriver.
Nice and quiet.
Okay. See the little spacers in there? Those are
Hey, they
little-
look like little washers.
Yeah, there's like, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them in there. They're very small and light. Alright. Put that screw back on. Okay. Oh, Giants got a touchdown.
He dropped that one right on the money. It was one-handed, 1 foot down, 2 feet down. It's another Toyota celebration. Toyota, let's go places. Wow, Latimer with a one-handed pass and he got both feet in it and rolled it. That's some earlier. I mean, man, he put it in the open spot. He put it in.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's an official right there running alongside him, and Byron Jones is grabbing the right wrist of Latimer, which is why he can only use one arm. And a flag didn't come out. It blows my mind away. You know, when you're a bad team, you don't get the respect of those type of calls. That was obvious. That was not as obvious as the BW experience. I can tell you this much. The officials have had a great year of calling the obvious. It's over at 6. Miles in the end zone for touchdown. Giants 10 plays, 73 yards, used a minute 28.
Ah.
Over on a 3rd and 10, 21-yard touchdown catch. Geico Sports Desk update with John Schmel. Bucks Bulls. That was smart bet.
Try again.
I need a deep half inch. Ryder's got a new friend.
Oh, she's going inside.
You're gonna get a new dog out of the deal here. Come on, Ryder, get over here. Ryder, come here. Come on. Yeah, that's what she's thinking. Exactly what she's thinking. Man, they give you no room at all.
You know what Wendy loves about us Giants fans? We're all one Giants family at the stadium, at home, and here at Wendy's too. Today, in every Giants game day this season, get 1 free Wendy's
No way now.
purchase of a premium combo. Only at Wendy's, the official hamburger restaurant of the New York Giants.
Oh, we must be listening to the Giants radio.
NFL stadiums are built for noise, and 80,000 fans can make it hard to concentrate. NFL coaches rely on powerful noise-canceling technology for growth.
Got all the room in the world here.
Focus on the field. The same connected inside Quiet Comfort 35 too.
get you that one more screw right here. That goes here. And she's back together. Let me have my phone, please. Oh, you're filming?
Was.
Motherfucker. Fuck me. Okay, built some. What happened? What are you laughing at? That's a bitch. There we go. Nice and quiet. No more noises. He's bearing himself. End of story. Happy New Year. John gets to go watch football now. Yay, Cowboys.